My name's Zokaitis. I'm a sculptor, and for the residency here at Merriweather, I'm creating a sculpture called Magrathea. Using these aesthetics of childhood, of joy, of catharsis, actually helps connect with people a lot more than like doom and gloom. My hope is that community members can come and help do the weaving. Normally my projects are for the public in a public scale. Validation comes from actually making the work, from taking it to a drawing to making it an object. Seeing how lots of people react to it has been actually really great, amazing feedback. The magic really happens when kids teach the adults how to play with the work. They were having a really, really fun time just spinning two wheels in the circle. It's amazing to see because it's such a simple action. They had so much joy in it.